If you would like to move to the UK with your family by September 2025, then this video is for you. This scholarship is fully funded and you can move to the UK with your family if you are given this scholarship. This scholarship covers your full tuition fee and provides allowance up to £20,000 per year, and also support you with your visa application cost to the UK. This is great, right? And you would love to know about this? Then watch this video to the end. But before we get to it, welcome to my channel. Please smash the subscribe button and also like this video. And thank you so much to our amazing 2.8k subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and for your support. I really do appreciate it. So do well to also share these videos with your family and friends. Everybody deserves to know more about this opportunity because it's a great one if you really want to move to UK by September 2025 with your family. So do well to check around on our previous videos. We have so many videos there you can apply for bachelor's degree, for master's degree, for PhD, and this scholarship covers different areas of studies, so please do well to check them out. Actually going to find something for yourself. And don't forget to stop by on our blog ScholarWaka. On ScholarWaka we waka with you, we journey with you, we share with you information that can support you to achieve your academic and career goals. So do come in here and check everything we have installed for you. Do not forget to check our scholarship support page, where we also provide you some step-by-step process on how you can win scholarships and how you can write a good application for you to be able to win a scholarship award for yourself. Okay, so do well to explore our blog. There's so many scholarships you can apply for bachelor's degree, for master's degree, for PhD, for internship, for fellowship, all for you. So do well to explore this. Okay, and right now let's get back into the scholarship. This is a fully funded scholarship at the University of Exeter, and if you are new here, I have made lots of videos about University of Exeter in the past, so please do check out those videos. And they have some scholarship for master's degree programs, so do check them out. Actually going to find something for yourself. This particular scholarship is a fully funded PhD scholarship, and it is for the Faculty of Humanities, Art and Social Sciences. So if you have any interest in communication, drama and film, then this scholarship is definitely for you. It's a great one. As you can see, they offer fully funded scholarship for international students to study in the UK for free. This is a great opportunity for those who are in the field of art and social sciences, and this scholarship will be commencing by September 2025. The PhD scholarship is tenable for up to 3 years, and it covers your full tuition fee and also give you maintenance allowance. There are different PhD programs you can apply for. One is PhD Films by Practice, PhD in Communications, Drama and Film. Okay, so just come in here and read all of this information that I written here for you to explore if this is your research area for PhD. Okay, and down the page you're going to see some more detailed information that will support you to prepare for your application, and also some tips that can help you as you submit your applications. So you need to prove academic excellence, research potentials, have a very good research proposal, and also a portfolio of sample of your work if you have any of this practical work you have done before in the past. Okay, and like I said, this program is durable for 3 years, which is for 36 months, and the scholarship is providing up to £20,760 per year. This is a huge one that can go a long way to cover your expenses, your accommodation, and even your feeding when you study at this university in the UK. The scholarship also provides additional funds to help with visa application fee and health surcharge. So once you have this covered for you, trust me, it's a good deal for any scholarship for you to win. Guys, I am really praying for you. I am wishing you all the best in any of your applications. So please type amen in the comment section if you believe that whenever you apply for any of these scholarships, you're going to be among those who are going to be successful. So type amen in the comment section, because once we put our faith together, definitely going to be a success. Okay, and also do not forget to put in all of your best in your application. Submit a very good and strong application. put your documents together and apply as soon as you see any of my posts about scholarship from across the world. Now, a good thing for you to note about scholarship in the UK is that if you're applying for a PhD program, you can come to the UK with your family. So this makes it a very good one for anyone that really want to migrate to the UK with your family through the study route in the UK. Okay, if you have any question about the scholarship, please reach out to the Department Director of Postgraduate Research with this email you can see here. And down there you can see the entry requirement for this program. You must have at least a 2-1 or international relevance in a relevant discipline. And this requirement is applicable to those who are applying for PhD film by practice and also PhD in communications, drama and film. Okay, so down here you can also see some other information you need to be aware of, and one of them is that for you to apply for this program, you do not need to provide any English language proficiency test if your previous studies was done in English or if you're from an English speaking country. That's also a good deal as well for this scholarship. Also, with this scholarship, whether you are from the UK or you're from any other country across the world, you can apply for this scholarship. Trust me guys, this is amazing. It is open to both full-time and part-time studies, and this will be a campus-based program. So you cannot apply for this scholarship if you are hoping to do a distance learning program in the UK. And now, how to apply? It is a very straightforward application process. So just click on this apply now, and with that you can complete your application. You need to provide a research proposal of 1,500 to 2,000 words, and also provide a statement of 200 to 500 words on your fit with the department and the faculty you are applying for. You need to submit a CV, a portfolio of your sample practice work if it's applicable, or if you have that. You need to also provide proof of your academic record, which can be your transcript or your certificate. You need to provide 2 reference letters, of which one should be an academic reference and the other can be a professional reference. And you also need to provide an English language proficiency test if that is required. But if you are from an English speaking country and your previous studies were taught in English language, you would not need to provide any English language proficiency. Okay, so while applying for this scholarship, you need to submit them through the application link you can find here. So once you click the application link, that will bring you here for you to create an account if it is your first time here, or you log in with your username and your password to submit your application. So it's a very simple application process. So do well to submit your application as soon as you can. So do not wait till the last minute before you submit your application. And yeah, back to the scholarship page, you can see more info about the program. So do well to come in here and do your detailed review about the course and about the program you're applying for. So please remember that application deadline is 19th of May 2025. So please put together your document and apply for this scholarship as soon as you can. Okay guys, I wish you all the best in your application. Apply as soon as you can. Okay, do not wait till the last minute before you begin your application. And before you go, please do not forget to smash the subscribe button and also like this video before you log off. And thank you so much guys for your love. Thanks for sharing, thanks for commenting, thanks for liking. I do really appreciate. I wish you all the best in your application, and yeah, see you on the next one.